Hi, Amia here and welcome to the channel. This is a mini series on Introduction to R Programming and ggplot2. Let's start. First, let's look at what data visualization is. According to Wikipedia, data visualization involves the creation and study of visual representations of data. Data visualization is a very effective way of displaying data so that we can find insights and patterns in data. It becomes really necessary when there is a large amount of data that needs to be analyzed or processed. It is generally one of the first steps in data science and analysis. Visualization is usually done right after the data collection, as sometimes it might help in data pre-processing as well. Tools that are generally used in data visualization are R programming, SAS, Python, D3, and JavaScript. Among these, R programming is very widely used and is among the top choice for data scientists. Now, let's look at what R programming is. As mentioned before, R is widely used in data science and analysis and data visualization. It was first designed by Ross Ayaka and Robert Gentleman. R is freely available for use under the GNU's General Public License. It has a lot of built-in packages that help in creating effective visualization and statistical analysis. Now, let's look at how R helps in visualizing data by going through an example. This is a bar graph for the top 10 male tennis players who won most number of ATP Tour matches in the year 2017. As you can see, this bar graph gives a lot of information like who were the top 10 match winners in 2017 and how many matches each of them won. By the end of this mini series, we will learn how to plot such type of simple bar charts and other graphs. Now, let's take a look at the content of this mini series. In part 1 of the series titled Introduction to R, we will look at installing RStudio and R, parts of RStudio, basic features of R programming like variables, assignments, commenting. Then we will move to data types in R, operators in R, and finally go to decision making and looping. The second part of the mini series titled Introduction to Tidyverse and ggplot2, we will look at what tidyverse and ggplot2 are, plotting box plots. We will also look at plotting bar charts like the one I showed you before, histograms, scatter plots, and line graphs. We will also look at how a graph must be presented and finally end with an introduction to R Markdown files.